Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce the final video on the Shmee150's SLS Black Series that you guys have been following on our YouTube channel. Bear in mind, guys, if you haven't done it already, we've got the massive 10K subscriber giveaway. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 disc edition with the controller, as well as an Audison Prima 8.9 amplifier. It's a very similar amplifier to what Shmee150 has in his SLS Black Series. Shmee150 is here with us today and we're doing the handover and we are all ready to go. All good, thank you. So obviously you haven't heard it just yet, but it's been a while getting it all ready for you. We've done the final tuning and stuff. We're really happy with it. I'm sure you're going to be over the moon with it. Are you excited?
You bet. It has been a long time coming. The problems we had with the car, getting parts, nightmare across the globe right now. But you guys have got all of the parts installed, done all the fine tuning. I'm yet to hear anything of it.
Yep.
At all. So this is going to be a pretty exciting moment for me. Yeah, looking forward to it.
Yeah, right. Let's head inside the car and have a listen.
Given we're going to be playing with the electrics, we should probably start it, should we?
We should indeed. So
let me just hit the button. Oh yes, always sounds great. Okay. This is where, from my phone, I've picked a particular song that I've used before on a video, which was actually when I collected my 911 GT3 and I was in a helicopter flying to collect it, which was an awesome memory. So I guess this is hearing it for the very first time. Let's have a little listen, let's get this started. Make sure I've got data. Oh wow.
just surrounds you.
That's completely surrounding me. This is quite hard to explain. I feel lost in the moment.
Yeah.
This is officially the best sound system in any car I've ever owned instantly. I'm no expert, but I can tell the different levels and the quality of all of the different levels, from the higher frequencies through to the bass.
So we've got the tweeters obviously on top of the dashboard where they're actually on axis to you as well. So these are retrimmed in the exact material as the factory material. We've also got the mid-range, which is behind us, and then the mid-bass, which is the Audison Thesis range, down in the footwells. So we've got the two subs behind you, and it basically during all the...
Wait a second, we've got the drop, we've got the drop. Had to be done. Sorry for interrupting.
That's all right. But yeah, overall it basically just surrounds you, and that's all down to the setup and the processing power that we've got via the software as well.
A car is not easy, just to turn that down for a second. It's not easy because you've got speakers right behind the head effectively.
Yeah, so obviously with a speaker being right directly there, it actually becomes kind of, it's too close to your head, and it takes away from the other products that are inside the car and creating that full sound. So in essence, we use what's called time alignment to move sound around the vehicle, delay and increase speed on when certain products are actually outputting sound to give a full sound, and that basically in essence have your sound stage right on top of the dashboard there. So it's kind of like you're sitting at a concert in essence, but inside a car.
To be able to completely adjust it, and that's what I love. It's not just installing speakers.
No, so
what you do as a master installer is a lot more work.
Yes, exactly. So obviously these things take time to do, and we work on every type of car as well, which is lovely, but it's the time taken to get every system inch perfect like this. And it also, we offer a full lifetime warranty on every single install we do, so we trust not only our install but also every component we're putting in, whether it's a cable to the actual components, has a full lifetime warranty.
This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. I like how the bass feel is obviously all around you as well. You don't have that feeling that there's one kind of, I mean, we know it's back there, but it doesn't feel like it's,
it's just
the whole thing. You know what? When I'm at home, I'm just gonna go sit in the garage and listen to this. Oh, wow, 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 wow. I have a massive smile on my face right now. It's really hard to, I think, properly explain this, but the quality is so good, I can't portray how much of a step up this. I wasn't expecting it to be this good.
Yeah, good.
This is well worth the wait in every possible way. I can't wait for the drive home and to listen to this. And people will say I should just be listening to the V8. No, this is
does this match it or better?
This is so good. It's the mix. It's the balance.
So, what an experience. What were your first impressions of the new sound system?
I think I had big expectations and it's exceeded them. The step up to anything I have as a reference point is so far off the scale, it's quite hard to describe. The clarity, the quality, the sound, the way you can hear everything basically how, as I understand it, it was intended to be produced, intended to be heard by the artist. You hear the music, and we've just been listening to a few different genres of sound. In a way I can't quite get my head around. I just want to sit in the car and listen to it and keep listening and enjoy everything that basically offers. And obviously also the additional technology, the Android Auto, the systems that we've got available here. This is mega. I can't say thank you enough. This is just, this is a dream. It's going to be incredible.
I'm glad you like it. And now obviously while you're driving the vehicle, that'll be a whole different experience for you as well, with the functionality plus the upgraded sound system. I'm sure you're going to love it while on the move as well. Exploring, and I'm sure it's going to feature in many, many more YouTube videos to come as well. So make sure, guys, you've subscribed to Shmee150's YouTube channel as well as our YouTube channel. So thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed the whole series on Shmee150's SLS Black Series and the custom sound system that we've done. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.